This is an old sales strategy that still works today because it makes a lot of sense. The Ben Franklin close gives your prospect the feeling that you want them to make their decision based on the facts. Of course, facts are really the paradigm through which we view them. And if you don't believe me, just watch or listen to a political debate. Here's how it works. Start with a piece of paper and draw a vertical line down the middle of the paper, making two columns. At the top of the left column, write the word pros. At the top of the right column, write the word cons. In the far left, start listing the features and benefits of your product. After you list them, place a check mark under the pros or cons column. At the end, add up the checks to see which side wins. The Ben Franklin close is really not limited to product features. It can be used to compare you to your competition, your support policies, etc. It is obviously important that you know all the features and benefits of your products and services and that you approach this close with a fair and open mind, like everything else. However, if you have done your homework, this close should come out in your favor. Sales leaders, when your salespeople go through this exercise with their prospects, it is really a consultative selling strategy. Help them execute this flawlessly. I hope this approach helps you.